I used to have a Blazer. It's almost gone. But that's okay, because it didn't work anyways. I did shovel out in front of the car earlier. You can't tell anymore. Snow looks pretty intense. What?
No!
Let's see what the rest of the family's doing in Snowpocalypse. Lyric's just chilling in her cage for some reason.
Daddy!
Mommy's sitting on the couch. I think she's on Facebook. Sissy's watching Frozen. Why are you whining? Okay. Hang on. This is our supplies here. We got charged flashlight, and this is a stove, and propane, and a lantern. Here's the yard. Garage is starting to get buried.
No.
Yes.